Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to mention someone in Instagram story on PC using a simple method that works just like on mobile. Step 1, open Instagram on your computer and log into your account. If you don't see the option to add a story, don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. Step 2, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Inspect, or press Ctrl-Shift-I to open the developer tools. Then, click the small device icon at the top to switch to mobile view. Step 3, at the top of the screen, choose a mobile template like iPhone 12 Pro. Once selected, refresh the page, and you should now see the story option, just like on a phone. Step 4, click on your story and upload an image from your PC. After the image is added, click the AA text icon to begin typing on the story. Step 5, type the @ symbol, followed by the username you want to mention. Select the correct account from the suggestions, then tap Done and post it to your story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy tutorials.